Globally, coronavirus has infected 1 crore 22 lakh people and more than 5 lakh 52,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 7 lakh 67,000 cases of coronavirus. Among them, 2 lakh 69,000 are active cases. 4 lakh 76,000 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 21,129 people have died due to coronavirus. India recorded 24,879 new cases and 487 deaths in the last 24 hours. The total coronavirus tests conducted by India in the last 24 hours now stand at 2.67 lakh. Let us now move on to important news of the day. India still has among the lowest incidences of coronavirus if the rate of infection per million is calculated, the government said today, pointing to data from the World Health Organization. The country, which is the third on the list of nations worst hit by the pandemic, the ministry also reiterated that India has not yet reached the community transmission stage of COVID-19 and there have been some localized outbreaks. The health ministry official said that India is the second most populated country in the world. Whenever we talk about the number of active cases, total cases and the death count, we should also keep the population in mind. Despite the population of 1.3 billion, India has been able to manage the virus relatively well. The Madhya Pradesh government on Wednesday decided to enforce a complete lockdown across the state on Sundays after a spike in COVID-19 cases in some districts during the past 1 week. In a new initiative, police will provide face masks to people who step out of the houses without the protective gear and recover its cost from them. Besides, the government also decided to increase vigil in the border district, claiming the spike in coronavirus cases has been caused due to the entry of people from the adjoining states. Due to the spike in cases, the coronavirus growth rate in Madhya Pradesh has now gone up to 2.01% from 1.72% earlier. A coastal village in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram has been cordoned off and around 25 commandos have been positioned in that area as testing has shown a spread and spike of COVID-19 cases locally. This, the health experts say, is possibly a first evolving cluster in the state with more than one super spreaders identified. A total of 119 samples of the 600 tested in 5 days are COVID-19 positive in Puntura village. Among those who tested positive first was a fish merchant from that area who frequented Tamil Nadu and sold at a local market. He was traced with 120 primary contacts, in addition to which another 150 contacts have also been traced. Ayurvedic practitioners and researchers in India and the United States are planning to initiate joint clinical trials for Ayurveda formulations against the novel coronavirus, the Indian envoy in Washington has said. In a virtual interaction with a group of eminent Indian American scientists, academicians and doctors on Wednesday, Indian ambassador to the US Taranjit Singh Sandhu said that the vast network of institutional engagements have brought scientific communities between the two countries together in the fight against COVID-19. According to the ambassador, there are at least 3 ongoing collaborations between Indian vaccine companies with the US-based institutions. These collaborations would be beneficial not just to India and the US, but also for the billions of who would need to be vaccinated against COVID-19 across the world, Sandhu said.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.